flag warning is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, Pottawatomie. Timing from noon through sunset. Wind initially west-southwesterly this afternoon, shifting to the northwest by late afternoon. Wind speeds will average 25 to 35 miles an hour with frequent gusts well over 40 miles an hour most locations. Humidity, afternoon minimum 12 to 25%. Temperature, highs mid-60s to mid-70s. Impacts, any fires that develop will likely spread very rapidly due to forecast of exceptionally strong winds. All outdoor burning and other activity that could lead to fire starts is strongly discouraged. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior.
At Oklahoma City, the sunset this evening occurs at 5:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:02 a.m. Central Standard Time.
A wind advisory is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Pottawatomie. A wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Winds: west to northwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour, gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour. Impacts: travel may become hazardous for high-profile vehicles. Other impacts: areas of blowing dust will be possible, which could significantly lower visibilities near freshly plowed fields. Be careful if you have to travel or if you are working or playing outside.